Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these mini egg cookies. Let's begin. So to start, grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar, and beat them all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once that's achieved, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in the egg and vanilla and mix again until the egg and vanilla are fully incorporated. It does change the consistency of the mixture, but don't worry, this is perfectly normal. Give the bowl another good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may be in the mixture. Then you can go ahead and add in your mini eggs and just fold these in by hand until they are fairly distributed throughout the dough. For each cookie, you'll want to take 2 scoops of cookie dough and just roll them together and place them onto a baking tray. I always put around 6 on a baking tray, but feel free to place more or less, just depending on the size of your tin. And then I like to just round my cookies off a little bit so they bake a bit more consistently, but again that's completely up to you. And then once they're out of the oven, you'll want to start adding your mini eggs on top straight away. And I just went by adding a certain colour first and another colour, and it just went like that. But again, you can just top yours however you like. So once these have been finished, decorated with the mini eggs on top, you can then transfer them onto a cooling rack and allow them to cool completely before you enjoy them, if you can resist them. So that is how you make a batch of easy mini egg cookies. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of the video. There'll be a direct link to the recipe to my blog, a link to my blog, and then all my social media links. So don't forget to go and check them out and follow me on all of that. But yeah, until next time, bye guys.